It could be so frustrating when you're excited to listen to your music, but you can't log into your Spotify X account. Don't worry, I got you covered with some simple steps to help you log in and to get back into your music in no time. So first, you're going to open the Spotify X app on your device and tap on the login button. If you've already created an account, enter your username and your password. Now, if you don't remember your password, tap the Forgot Password link. Spotify will send you a reset link to your email so you can create a new password and try again. Now listen, another option is to log in using Facebook or Google. So if you connected your Spotify account with one of these services, just choose that option and you're going to be logged in instantly, okay? So make sure that your internet connection is working well, because a slow or weak internet connection can cause problems when you're trying to log in, all right? Finally, if none of that works, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This could help fix any issues stopping you from logging in, all right? So if you're ready to start enjoying your music again, leave me a like, leave me a comment. Love you. Subscribe. Thanks for being here. Ciao.